In today's video, I will share with you 15 items that I sold in 1 week as a part-time reseller on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, and mercari. Now this is for the week of April 4th through the 9th, so a Monday through a Saturday. This is not everything that I sold during the week, but it's items that I think you may be able to find at your local thrift store or garage sales, or perhaps you have them laying around your house to flip for a profit online. If this sounds like something that interests you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. So we'll start over on Facebook. I sold this hang 10 extra large Hawaiian shirt. As you can see, it's floral. I did include all of the keywords: tropical, Hawaii, extra large, floral. It looks like a 70s and it is vintage. It has the paper tag. I paid $3.75 for this at Goodwill. It sold within 2 months of listing for my full asking price of $55, and the buyer did pay $5.75 shipping. So my profit, $47.96. Keep your eye open for these hang 10 Hawaiian print shirts. They are often very colorful and hard to miss. Next, I sold a pair of Harley Davidson pants on Facebook. I paid $3.75 for these at Goodwill. The Goodwill missed marking these up, which I was very pleased about. They sold for my full asking price of $34. The buyer did pay $5.75 shipping on Facebook. My profit, $30.25. These sold within 1 day of listing, so I may have underpriced them. The next item to sell on Facebook is a Victoria's Secret pink full zip jacket. As you can see, it's very embellished with sequins. The sequin dog on the back and sequin stripes down the sleeve. I paid $4.25 for this. It sold for my full asking price of $50 on Facebook, and the buyer did pay priority shipping of $9.25. My profit on the sweatshirt, $42.54. I found that Victoria's Secret pink, especially when it's embellished with sequins, seems to sell very well and quickly. Next, we'll hop over to eBay. I sold this pair of new with tag, not your daughter's jeans. This was a size 6, so it's not even a plus size. It sold within 5 months of listing. I paid $4.25 for this. I accepted a best offer of $30, and the buyer did pay $7 for first class shipping. My Goodwill does sell new with tag item. As you can see here, the retail price is $128, but they had these priced regularly at $4.25, so I went ahead and picked them up. I will pick up almost anything new with tags at my Goodwill as long as it's not priced higher. Next is another new with tag item. This is UMG. I included all of the keywords in this as well. Sleeveless tunic top. It could possibly be a short dress. It's embroidered with lace. I included tank. It's black in color, and I also included the keyword cami. I took detailed photographs, including that of the new with tag. It sold for $30.08, and the buyer did pay $7 shipping, so my profit, $29.77. I picked up several of these. They were all the same style, but different colors. I paid $3.50 each for them. Next up is a Key striped shirt for men. Key is known for its bib overalls, but as you can see here, it's also a worker shirt. I paid $2 for this at a thrift store. I accepted an offer of $22 plus $12 shipping within 4 months of listing. My profit, $19.38. I'm not sure, looking at this tag, it's LR, size LR, so I don't know if that's large, regular, or what the sizing was, but I did include measurements, and when the offer came in, I accepted it simply because I was unsure of the size. Looking at this keyword, I put Key Hickory Large, LR, whatever that stands for, striped. It's a pullover shirt. I put half and quarter zip. I like to cover all bases in case someone is searching for that. I included the word railroad as it appeared to me like it had railroad stripes. Logger work shirt. Next up is a Poison band t-shirt. This one I'm sure is not vintage, but I did hear from other resellers that these graphic t-shirts are making a comeback. As you can see here, it's a tagless shirt, which makes me think it's not vintage. I paid $3.75 for this at Goodwill. It sold in less than 2 months for just $7, and the buyer did pay $7 shipping. So again, it was one of those that I wasn't sure of. I thought I'd take a chance on it based on other resellers I've heard selling graphic tees. This one is very colorful with a skull and snake on the front. I thought it would go for more than that, but after sitting on it for 2 months, I decided to let it go for $7 and $7 shipping. So my profit when it was all said and done, under $5. It was $4.56. So I will think twice before I pick up any more of these graphic t-shirts. Next up is another new with tag item. This Ralph Lauren Bleecker shorts. I'm not sure what Bleecker means, but it was on the inner tag. Classic fit Bleecker short. It was a size 36 for men. I paid $3.50 for this. It did take quite some time to sell. Now, I did list it in October, so it had to sit through winter. So it was listed for about 6 months. But it sold for $29, and the buyer did pay $7 shipping. So my profit, $23.14. Like I said earlier, I will pick up anything new with tag, and that includes Polo Ralph Lauren. Next up was an experiment I tried. I tried running 99-cent auctions on some of my older items, and this one sold. And I did make a little bit of profit, so I was glad to move this out of my inventory. It's a Scooby-Doo necktie. Back in the day, I did pick up a lot of neckties. Some of them are more profitable than others, and they are easy to store and easy to ship. I have since scaled down my necktie inventory, and this was one of them that I listed at 99 cents. So it sold for 99 cents. The buyer did pay $7 shipping. However, I shipped it for $3.78, so I did make some money on the ship charge. My profit when it was all said and done, $2.17. I pick up ties at my Goodwill for just $1. Next up is a pair of Born leather flip-flops. I paid $1 for this at a thrift store. It sold for my full asking price of $29.03, and the buyer did pay $7 first class shipping. So my profit, $24.63. Born is a good brand to keep your eye out for. You do want to check the soles, but this is a very good bread and butter brand, especially with summer. And this was sold in April, so these summer shoes, you want to get them listed ASAP. Next up is a St. John collection cardigan sweater. I don't find St. John all that often. I paid $3.75 for this at a thrift store. It sold for my full asking price of $85, and the buyer did pay $11 priority shipping, and it sold within 1 day. So I may or may not have undersold it. I'm not sure. But regardless, I paid less than $4, and I turned it into a $96 sale. So my profit, $70.92. Keep your eye open for this St. John collection. It is different than the Kohl's brand, St. John's Bay. And the last time that sold on eBay is a mall brand. It's a new with tag and Taylor Loft. I'm including this to show you that mall brands do sell also. I paid $3.25 for this. I accepted a best offer of $15. I thought it would sell for a little bit more than that. The buyer did pay $7 shipping, so I made a little bit of money on the ship charge. My profit when it was all said and done, $11.21. This I had listed on Amazon for quite some time. and it didn't sell, so I relisted it and it sold on eBay within 3 months. Next, we'll hop over to Poshmark. I sold this pair of Keen shoes, very colorful. Looking at these keywords, I included Keen Harvest Rice Bag, Mary Jane shoes, size 8.5. It appears to be woven, is a slip-on, and I also included checkerboard. I did a Google Lens search to figure out the style of this shoe, and that's where I came up with the Harvest Rice Bag. I paid $2 for this at a local thrift store. It sold for my full asking price of $48 within 3 months of listing. My profit, $36.40. I don't try to clean these shoes. I just list them as is and note that the buyer can clean them if they choose to do so. The next item is a scrub shirt. This one's Snoopy. It's a great pumpkin holiday scrub shirt. Now this sold in April. I paid $3.50 for this. It sold for $20 on Poshmark. So my profit, $10.78. I do pick up these scrub shirts year round. And as you can see, this one sold in April and it's nowhere near Halloween. I do list seasonal items year round. And the last item sold on Mercari, a pair of Levi Strauss 559 denim jeans. I've been picking up more Levi Strauss, different style numbers just to test the waters. And this one sold fairly quickly within 3 months of listing. I paid $4.75 for this. I accepted an offer of $28. The buyer did pay shipping. So my profit, $19.34. I just shared with you 15 items that helped me gross over $1,700 in 1 week as a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, and Mercari. Now this was not every item that I sold during the week, but it's some of the items that I think you may be able to find at your local thrift store or garage sales to flip for a profit online. If you learned anything from today's video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, which tells me you like this type of content and would like to see more. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. While you're at it, click the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video. I will link another What Sold video here. Continue watching.